Listen, you remember those wipes I said a long time ago? Ooh, and I said Dollar Tree need to bring them back. Child, they done brought those wipes back. They brought them back. The lady is over there unpacking them. You want to stick around for this video? Child, I think you're gonna like this. I know you're gonna like this. I know. I'm just that confident. I know you're gonna like this. Check this out. Okay, so I need one thing of blue rags. Hopefully this Dollar Tree has them. Yes, we are in luck. Okay, so let me get these. Honey, this is like my go-to. Okay, all right, really, really my go-to. Oh, these dumplings. Oh my goodness, so these dumplings over here, when I tell you they are so tasty, they are really, really tasty. The chicken dumplings, and then they also have the vegetable dumplings. No, I don't think, did we try these? I think we tried these. No, it was these that we had got. The steamed dumplings, chicken and vegetable. Oh my goodness, so good. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 of these. Okay, family, we going to check out. Peace. So when I say if your store have these wipes in them, okay, Dollar Tree at one point had stopped carrying these for a little while, but child, you will be thanking me. Peace, family, peace. Honey, it's a little nippy out here, okay? Listen, message today is this. When one door closes, do understand and get that, honey, feel like a baby, that another door will open, okay? Honey, you just have to be mindful and look for the door that is going to open. Now, book today, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, okay? Great book. Really, really good. Now, we are on our way inside the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree in a place to pay. Let me tell you guys something, okay? I appreciate the love, because you guys have been showing me so much love, and I truly, truly appreciate it. If it wasn't for you guys watching the videos, honey, we would not have hit 8,000 and something subs. Okay, alright. So honey, we in this thing together, okay? Listen, whatever it is that you want to do, let me tell you something. You may not even have a clue on how you gonna get to it, but long as you have that idea, right? I said people would know my name. I said that years ago. I didn't know exactly how they was gonna know my name, right? But as I kept a vision, let me do videos, all right? And every day I show up. So make sure you're showing up for yourself and believing in yourself. And let me tell you something. I believe in you. It doesn't matter how your background, where you came from, what your life has been like. The universe don't care about none of that. The universe just want to see you win, all right? And that's up to you if you want to see you win. Now let's go inside, honey. My hands. Okay, so Dollar Tree still has these rhinestone sunglasses. These are $1.50. I had showed you guys these last time. See, 100% UV protection. Fancy pantsy mancy. I have this pair, and then my youngest daughter, I believe she has this one. It's either this one or this one, but they are so fancy, honey. Styling and profiling. Let's go. All right, family. So remember I told you guys the Brazilian face body and wipes. Honey, is Dollar Tree watching my videos, honey? Because I said when Dollar Tree bring these back in, you guys want to make sure that you get these. All right, so they are so good and they smell so good. Okay, I'm so excited right now. Listen, these are $1.25. Face and body wipes, Brazilian mist, notes of pistachio and salted caramel. Now these are some wipes that I do, okay, and you know they ain't flushable, but boo, when I tell you these is good, yeah, these are so good, and they smell just like the dupe. I think the dupe is It starts with a D that they sell in Sephora. But child, these are really, really good. The lady, she putting the stuff away. I'm gonna go in the next sale and maybe she'll have it out by then. Honey, hands down, the best. Okay, so Dollar Tree has this ultra foaming dish spray, Ocean Breeze scent. Have you guys tried this before? If you have, let me know. How was it? Okay, I don't know. To me, I feel like this is gonna be like kind of watery. Let me know in the comment section if this is a no or a go. Maybe I'll just try it. Let me see. I just get it. So you know what? I just purchased this to see if this is a no or a go. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. Okay, so I had brought the ultra foaming dish detergent. At first, I was like a little skeptical because I said I don't know if this is gonna work, but honey, this was good. Alright, so Dollar Tree has one set of nails left, like these, okay, the modern French, a modern take on classic French manicure. I absolutely love these, okay, and these are what I'm rocking today. Say hey, really, really cute, $1.25, and you get 24 nails. Now, in my opinion, these are the best, some of the best nails that Dollar Tree has came out with is these, and then they had another set of nails like a metallic, but I had purchased a few Dollar Tree nails, and honey, they fancy pantsy mancy, okay, really, really cute. Absolutely love them. Now, you guys know, if you don't, all right, Dollar Tree has they St. Patrick's Day stuff out already. They have the shamrock. Is this a tinsel decor, okay? They have the scarves over here, fancy, really, really cute, $1.25. They also have the shamrock picks. Yeah, that is the shamrock. Look at me being fancy, knowing what it is, okay? They also have the luck of the Irish, really, really cool in your neighborhood, okay? Honey, just putting words together. They have the necklace over here. This necklace actually lights up. Okay, see, if I'm lying, I'm flying. Okay, last time I checked, I ain't had no wings, that child. They also have this decor right here, really, really cute. I say this is the leprechaun and the gold, okay? And then they also have some more decor down at the bottom, $1.25. The socks, the cruise socks, absolutely love this. Now, these are men cruise socks, but I would definitely wear this because the design and pattern, I absolutely love it. They have the lucky socks, the shamrock socks. These are $1.25, and then they also have the shamrock socks at the bottom, which is $1.25. Now they also have the 9 feet tinsel garland, all right, really, really cool with the shamrock that says Happy St. Patrick's Day. Then kitchen towels. Who needs luck with all this charm? I know that's right. And then they also have the pot of gold kitchen towel design, really, really cute. And then if you're looking for some headbands, well, this is a tie, honey, excuse me. And then they also have these fabulous no boutique glasses, okay, which are really, really cool. And then they have this Tilly skirt, all right, $1.25. And then 10 window clings, really, really cool. And then they also have the 11 window clings. Love. Oh, this is nice. All right. And I had my love earrings, okay? But one of the bags came off while I was on the train. And I said, you know what? I got these earrings from Sheenan, okay? These are, honey, styling and profiling. But, honey, I had to take one. I can't walk around with one earring and then one earring out, child, okay? Now, they also have some more glasses. Now, I had got these last year, but this thing right here came off, okay? So, that was a no-go. We done made a science project, added it. We done made a science project, added this and everything for my youngest son, Javon. Honey, I said, you know what? We gonna use what we have. So we improvised. We sure did. All right, so some of you guys was looking for those socks that I had showed yesterday. They came in a box. Now, some Dollar Trees, they don't have them yet. I don't know if they would get them, but I know the Dollar Tree by my house, they definitely had them. Now, but this Dollar Tree, they have the socks like this. Oscar Mayer's, Hosties, Twinkies. These are $1.25, and they says fits men, okay? Shoe size. And then they also have the Mountain Dew, the Pringles. Now, the low cut socks like this, I really don't care for like that. It's really not my cup of tea. All right, I'm just saying. They also have the Pringles and then the Jelly Belly, Doritos. I don't really, they ain't calling me. How about my daughter jacked me for my socks, okay? Just jacked me for them. Yesterday, I had purchased some socks, right? And, I was excited. They were money socks. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to wear these socks, And so yesterday, my youngest daughter, Amani, she comes from school. And she's like, oh, what are these? And I'm like, these socks. Matter of fact, I was doing a video on YouTube, a live video. And she heard the conversation about me talking about the socks and stuff like that. Next minute, I know she took the box. I'm thinking she going, to put in the box in my room. I asked, where you put the box at? She says, oh, I put it in your room. Next minute, I turns around, honey, she done took the socks. This morning, I said, Amani, get in the tub. She got in the tub. I washed and everything like that. Next minute, I turn around. I says, Amani, get dressed. So she got dressed. Something said, Dina, look down at the bottom. I looked down. Honey, the girl had my derm socks on. Child, I can't make this stuff up. Now, I'm going to show you guys some more St. Patty's Day stuff because they have it on the end cap. Really, really cool. Check this out. All right, so they have some Stitch socks. These are $1.25. They have the Care Bears. Absolutely love these socks. Really, really nice. And honey, what about the hats? Okay, so these are $1.25. Really cool. And then they have some headbands. These are nice. I like these. Wait, hold on. Let's see. Because I can definitely get one. Every time I come to Dollar Tree, I'm like, ooh, this is nice. This would be real nice for my youngest daughter. Okay. They also have the decor over here. These are $1.25. These are really, really cute. And then the confetti. Okay. Really nice. And then window decorations. They have the shamrock crown. And then they also have the necklaces. Ooh, these necklaces are nice. Right here. I like these. Okay. These are cool. With the shamrock. These, you get 2 pieces for $1.25. Ooh, they just so nice. The color on it is really beautiful. And then they also have some foam scatter. Okay, over here. Really, really cool. $1.25. They have some coins over here. $1.25 as well. Gold coins. And then they have the gnomes. All right. Which are $1.25 as well. Really, really cool. Okay, so honey, right now I feel like I am on July the 4th, okay? Because Dollar Tree has everything out right now. They have the Easter stuff. Speaking of Easter, all right, this is the felt bunny garland, pom-poms. They have the decorative clips over here, color your own. This is pretty much like the DIY felt stickers. They have garland, really, really cool. Ribbons over here, really nice. Window cleaned. You get 12 pieces for $1.25 for Easter. Really, really nice. Look at the felt stickers over here with the bunny, honey. And then they also have some garland over here. Really nice. Really cute. Now, if you are a person that's looking for some trees, some Christmas trees, especially for Easter, Christmas, honey, Easter trees, Dollar Tree definitely said, listen, we in a place to be. Hey, okay, we got it, and don't delay. I know that's right, Dollar Tree. Okay, I be trying to put these people on, but okay, so these Easter trees are $1.25, and honey, look at, they even got the little buckets that go with it. These little peep buckets, okay? Well, these not peeps, these like just regular bunny buckets. These are cute though. Really, really nice. They have blue, yellow, and pink. Still deal like Holyfield. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have the table runners over here. These are $5. Okay, they also have the egg garland, which are $3, and then a bunny pom-pom garland, which is going to look like this. This is $3, and then they still have some, some canes over here for Christmas. They also have the solar mushrooms. I absolutely love these. These are $3. The tinsel bunnies, okay, $3. And then they also have the 20-inch top Biera, I think that's how you, honey, don't get me to lying, with the eggs on them. That is $5. And then they have some more tinsel bunnies. Oh, this is so cute. And then they have the hanging decor, the bunny honeys. All right, honey, try to tell her she ain't fancy. You try to tell her, okay? Because she's a fancy one. And then they also have the tabletop egg decors over here. These are $3. 3-tier serving tray. All right, $5. The Peeps tumblers, double ward. All right, this is $5. Really, really cool. Really nice. And I was looking for the Peeps. What is it? It's an LED light, but I don't think they have anymore. Because, honey, they sure don't have it here. But I do see the setup for egg containers, Peeps, and those are $5. If you are looking for some Peeps baskets, Easter baskets, honey, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. They have them $5. And then they also have the Sesame Street Easter baskets, $5, with Elmo, Cookie Monster. Oh, so cute. And then they also have the welcome signs over here, which are $5. The wreaths over here, these are $5 as well. My fave is definitely this one, the multicolor. Love it. Absolutely love it. And then wood egg beaded garland, and then decorative clips. And how about the jumbo tumbo? Jumbo tumbo eggs. Okay, these are $5. And I think they are the 12, a part of me want to say the 12-inch jumbo. Oh no, these are the 16 inches. Okay, so Dollar Tree still has some more of the solar stake lights. All right, so these are $1.25. All of these. I remember when I first started doing Dollar Tree hauls, and I had walked inside of the Dollar Tree, and I seen so many solar stake lights. But the next time I had went back, most of them was gone. So I was like, oh, maybe this is a big deal. The solar stake lights. Never knew. They also have the garden gloves. These are $1.25. Plant labels. You get 10 pieces for $1.25. Those are so good. Okay, to label your plants to know exactly what plant is what. Okay, garden flags they have. These are $1.25, and then garden gloves $1.25. I don't know where you are going to get some garden gloves for $1.25 except for Dollar Tree. They also have some hummingbird feeders. These are $1.25. I think these are so cool. Really cool. They have the hook right here so you can hang it. They also have the plant clips. All right, so this is pretty much how it's going to look. So those plants, they won't be droopy. Travel, they have over here $1.25. Satin pattern, spray nozzles, they have $1.25. And this is pretty much the planters they have, the buckets. These are really cool. Well, not buckets, planters. Nice. And then the garden sticks. I absolutely love this one. This one it does it for me every time. Okay, really cool. All right, remember I told you guys I was so shocked that Dollar Tree had these. Really cool. These are $1.25. I was even more shocked about the price. Okay, the price point, because I was like $1.20. What? Right? Yes, these are $1.25. Really cool. And I went and just put this stuff out just for Valentine's Day. This would be like a all year type of thing. Okay, really cool. Absolutely love this. Nice. And I have to grab a bag. All right, family, so we on our way to the next Dollar Tree. We got our treats in here, our stuff that we just purchased. And I'll see you guys at the next Dollar Tree. Make sure you guys rock out, believe in yourself, keep going, keep growing. Until next time. Peace.